Hi guys. And today we will be doing a first time Animal Jam video. I will put my username and Anna's username in the description. And I will put my friend Commander's in the description. So follow me, and we'll be heading to today we'll be coming to do some adventures. The flag is crazy.
Not even moving.
Oh, I'm playing with my fox in this one.
No, you're not changing.
Wait.
No. It's like I'm a ninja. Okay, there. You go into your. Oh yeah, you want. Okay. Wolf party. I'm the only article.
Okay. So,
Yay.
dang it! I'm level 3, I should be able to do this. I'm trying to do Greedy's Inferno.
You can, you idiot.
I know.
Let me host the hive, and you two can wait. Awesome, you're gonna have to go. Just hurry it up.
Jesus, the lag.
Click on it.
I'm gonna have to reload it.
Refreshing me.
Dang it.
Are you in the middle?
Why do I have to do that?
I'm hosting a hive. Join me now, you idiot.
Well, I'm kind of loading up my game. Jesus. Reject it. Shut up, we're making a video.
Hurry it up.
Why is there a freaking red thing?
And guys, if you hear any background noise, that's me talking. And yeah.
And in playing Destiny.
And we will be doing mail time later on, but yeah. So please send us some mail. I really haven't got any mail. And we really enjoy 1,000 subscribers to do a video and a giveaway. So yeah. I'm gonna get you a cloak. Benjamin, you want a phantom cloak?
Wait, you have one?
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay. I'm gonna send it to you in the mail.
Send it to me.
Okay.
Okay, you can use my arrow. Okay. Hey! Jesus!
I said please get fat.
Where is it?
You're gonna have to go scroll up a little.
First one that says back.
No, the first one was says there's a phantom cloak. It says get please. The second one says gift, and the third one says back. I just sent you a phantom cloak. You should read it.
Ooh, cool.
It doesn't look right on Fox's. Wait, it does look right on Fox's. Dude, I literally do not have the rare article. I have the normal one. Are you rich, Benjamin? Because I am.
Kind of, because I have tons of diamond stuff.
Kind of rich.
Kind of.
I'm rich because I got a lot of gems. This morning when I got 3, and then I got the lucky clover.
I can't really wear these because they never fit me.
On the wolves, they look so stupid. Dude, you gotta put more stuff on trade. Yeah, I've always wanted Jade. Dude, you know my rare other ones?
This thing is lagging out.
Benjamin, you know my other ones that look like real sunglasses?
Yeah?
They got scaled.
Aw, dang it. You mean the rare ones?
Yeah. They literally got scaled.
Your mom got scaled.
This girl says, trade for my terrible thing first. Trade me your sunglasses first and I'll gift you it. And I'm like, okay.
No, don't do that. Never do that.
I thought it was you.
Anna, you know they'll get suspended for that, right? They get suspended after that if they do that.
I accidentally scale people on accident and I be coached for money. Well, it doesn't make sense. Animal Jam, if you don't want people to scale, then you probably shouldn't have codes.
And you shouldn't have gifting. Nah, no.
Yeah,
Cause
gifting is nice.
Cause you can gift
Because
friends.
some people give it to charity, to non-members. Some members say, please gift me for charity for the non-members, and I'm like, okay. And I said it, and I was like, if you want to march with me to the non-members, then I give them it a terrible trade. Wait, they have something on trade that I don't even want, and I still give them it. If you guys can watch that. I'm like, I love it.
Oh, Jesus. The lag. Oh, dude, that looks sexy on my wolf. I'm giving it some horns. I'm a demon.
Where are you? Do you mean like the horns I have on my article? Wow, you.
No, I don't. I'm a demon.
I'm a princess. My wolf is a princess.
My demon!
I'm
Okay.
a princess!
So, that will end our Animal Jam video here,
And please
folks.
make sure to gift us for meal time!
She kicked Sign angrily. Lol. Well,
I'm the red princess!
I will see you guys next time. Slap that
Bye-bye.
like button with your face.